Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locating the image where it lives, in a browser tab, local folder, or app. Open it so you can interact with it directly. This is the first actionable step. Once done, check the file extension, JPG, PNG, GIF, or SVG, because the method differs slightly. Make sure to decide whether you need a direct, shareable URL or an inline data URI. This affects the next clicks and tools you use. Now proceed to expose the image resource. You extract the URL by right-clicking and choosing Open Image in New tab or Copy Image Address. If that option is blocked, open Developer Tools, inspect the element and look for src equals or background image, values to reveal the resource. For images inside apps or protected views, upload to a trusted host or use the app's share feature to produce a link. Once you have the candidate link, paste it into a new tab to verify it, loads the raw image. You finish by verifying the link, paste it into a new tab and confirm you see only the image file, not a surrounding web page. If it doesn't load, check permissions, CORS restrictions, or the host's privacy settings. Alternatively, upload the image to a reliable hosting service and grab that new URL. Make sure to copy the exact link format the receiving service expects. Quick troubleshooting tip. If images refuse to load, try a different host and clear cache. This often resolves permission or caching issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.